Hey, what's up, guys? This is Volvo Pia, guys. Today I'm replacing a chrome piece, a trim piece. This one. So it's peeling right here. You get a sharp edges. This kind of like this aluminum film on top, which is it can cut you. Actually, I have got cut before with it. Not on this one, but on the steering wheel is the same paint that they use, aluminum. This one is peeling, and then we have to remove the whole tonneau compartment. So this one, undo the bolts from underneath. I flip this around and start removing all the bolts on the perimeter of this other trim. And this pipe, it's here, so we have to remove this. The pipe was here. We have to remove it in order to undo two screws on the bottom. The screw will allow to free the trim, but we have this clip. This clip is they're tied, so it feels like you still have screws. You should always check first if there's any screw left. I don't really remove this other top piece, just work with it in there and lift it up. Like I have space there, just move it to the side a little bit. When I work on this side, move it to the other side and pull this tab up with a little pry bar or screwdriver or something, maybe a plastic tool that will not affect or damage the trims. So in order to remove this, we have to move the panels here. This Torx 25, and here it has the 8mm bolt, and also here. So it's two bolts, two other bolts there and there, left and right, and two screws here. 25 screws, 25 Torx, and the ground cable, which is down in the carpet. Goes all the way down. I'm gonna show you right now. This is what I did. I pulled the carpet up. I didn't have to actually remove it. And this is the middle section. That USB cable is hooked up here. So that's for the USB. Don't pull it too much. You gotta pull the center console a little bit so you can put your hand underneath this and pull it straight forward, and then undo the sensor, the cable, and you can remove it after that. Always make sure there's no cables hanging or attached still to the tonneau compartment, and it's pretty simple to remove and install. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.